Jane, I just want to talk. Please, just for a moment.
Bartholomew, let him in.
If you insist, Lady Jane.
Good evening, UpChuck.
Hey there, Lady Jane.
Have a seat.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I just want to apologize for keeping things from you. There's a lot going on in my head these days, and I could really use your advice.
What's been troubling you, UpChuck?
Well, I've been doing some soul searching, and thinking back, when I was a little UpChuck, and, I'd watch cartoons and read comic books of my favorite superheroes, and they were inspirational, And so I would dream of one day growing up to be a person of great power and influence. But, as you can see, life didn't really turn out that way. I didn't have childhood dreams of mopping floors and cleaning up Devster's throw-up. I wanted to do great things. And I think the League of Extraordinary Wrestlers might provide a pathway to achieving those great things.
But at what cost, UpChuck? You're going down a path I cannot follow. I fear that your quest for power will change you, will be your demise. Look what happened between Static and Sorcerer. They were blinded by their hatred of each other that they forgot about everyone else, including me. And then I wound up winning the championship. But we're not here to talk about that right now. But I know you're a goodie, and you want to continue being a goodie and take down the baddies like the prophecy. But I want you to do it the right way, the just way, the UpChuck way. Whatever way that will be.
Well, that's just it. I'm not sure what the UpChuck way is anymore. And believe me, I don't want to lose all this. This is a great mansion.
Of course it is.
And it's always so clean.
Yes.
And everyone's so polite.
Why, thank you ever so much.
And the tea is delicious. So, I don't know. I feel like this isn't goodbye. I just need time to explore other ways of doing things,
Well, it's not what I wish to hear, but I do not wish to stand in your way. And I hope you find your way. Good luck on finding your way, UpChuck. And as the sages say, and in the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make.
Wow, that's really true. And that reminds me that we all live in a yellow submarine.
Well, au revoir, UpChuck, mon ami.
Creme brulee, Lady Jane.